Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul from Rosalind. I have done a couple different videos featuring their products, and so far I've liked pretty much every single one. And here is the one I got. Ooh, okay, there's so much sparkle in here, y'all. Okay, let's get these out. Okay, even the bottle's iridescent. That's nice. So I'm literally down to like 3 swatch sticks left. I still have not bought more, so I'm gonna swatch it on one, but I'm also gonna put some on my nails. So first up is C089, and this, look at that. Yes. I love me a good glitter. Next up is 88, and this is the blue. Kind of just, there we go. Release it off the brush. That's a little bit chunkier. I hope that's showing up. So it's different sizes of that blue. Obsessed. We're gonna do 109. This color for Christmas. I'm here for it. And then we have 294. Again, these glitters are glitter. It's even having trouble focusing. We got 106. I was gonna say 10. Oh. Okay. Okay, I'm only scraping that one on because that's about to go on my nails. And then we have 295. What an insane set. Okay, so this is like perfect for Christmas. Then you have these two, which is your pink and purple, which are holographic. You have a nice blue here, and then your gold. If this was silver, I feel like if you took away if you completely changed everything about it, this would be perfect for XYZ. So let's get that pink on me. You know what, let's do an ombre. Okay, so to put this on my nails, I'm going to scrape it on first. And then I'm gonna build, although this one doesn't really need any building, because there is a pink background color. Like, well, that is pigmented. So I'm gonna push back. But little cute little nails with this pink. Originally I was like, oh, perfect. I'm just gonna, you know, scrape it on and then build it up how I like. These both have colors underneath, so you don't have to do that. So pretty. And the good thing about glitter is that you can kind of just place it where you want it to go. Okay, let's do an ombre. I think the pink is a stronger base color. So I'm going in with purple first. Normally I like to go in with my lighter color and then add my darker color, but do just a quick swipe down the center. Coming down the side here. Okay, now I'm gonna mix the two. Grabbed a little bit more of the purple And I'm just slightly going over the pink. Going to also do that with the pink. Okay, I'm gonna do the pinky in the purple. Did I just say purple? The pinky in pink. These are so sparkly. Like, look at them. Here are the colors. I am kind of in love, not gonna lie. Just this sparkle. Let's see the blue. Even though I know technically blue doesn't necessarily go with my color palette, but okay, yeah, let me, do you see me scraping it on? Here, I'll scrape it on so you guys can see there is color in it. So that's gonna help you have a more opaque finish, especially if you are scraping it on like I am here. I still usually recommend going in with a base color so you don't have patchiness at the end. So you can kind of see at the beginning of my thumb, it would be much easier with a base color underneath. You really wouldn't see that. So you can kind of see at the base of my thumb that it's a little bit patchy because of glitter. I always go in, I shouldn't say always, 98% go in with a base color if I'm using glitter, so I avoid that kind of rough cuticle looking area. There is color in here, but I don't think it's enough to counteract that jagged edge for the blue specifically, because the blue has thicker chunks in it. Although with that brush, I was able to get it relatively smooth. Okay, I'll take that. All right, so I love that there's pigment in this glitter, so it will be extra opaque. Even if you like apply a base color, I think this only helps you when it comes to applying glitter. Although it could technically overshadow the glitter in it, but if you're applying, obviously these hollow, no issue. And then this chunky blue literally is blue. So it's not overshadowing any of these guys. I think this is a great glitter set because you kind of get like your neutral pinks and purples. And I say neutral because they're like just like generic, straightforward pinks and purple. Like there isn't anything weird about it, if that makes sense. Like there's not too much pink in the purple or not too much like specifically like bright deep neon pink. Like it's just a great straight color. And then you have these guys, which are also straight colors in here. So I love glitter that is only one color. So I think this is a great one to add to your collection. I'd like to thank Rosalind for sending these over to me, and if you guys want, I will go ahead and link them below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.